Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Arrived Homes for fractional rentals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the Arrived Homes website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the home page. Look for the login option in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your credentials, double-check for any typos. Click on the Login button to proceed. After a few moments, you should be redirected to your account dashboard. If the login is unsuccessful, verify your email and password. Consider using the Remember Me option for future logins. Once logged in, navigate through your account settings as needed. Explore the various features available for fractional rentals. Enjoy managing your Arrived Homes account effectively. That concludes the login process for Arrived Homes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.